Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. So I'm not going to go through the whole introduction thing that I usually do. We're just going to jump straight into this because I've got a lot to do today. I got a big project coming up that I'm doing. But anyway, we'll get into that later. That's a whole different other video. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing off camera like I did the last time. Not had a whole lot of time. This one is Apollo. This book is just a mock-up of what I had been working on, and then it turned into something else, and blah blah blah. You know, once you start creating something, your head pops around in a million directions and you just totally go through a whole different thing. These are mock-ups, not what I'm working on now. Okay, so I did finish the Pile Path print, and we finished with $29 in this one. So there's 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 on that. And what I'm doing with all these is at the first of the month, I will take all this money to the bank and get caught up on some bills. The next one is, because everybody knows the economy is absolutely crap. This one is the Sunrise Patrol. The envelopes is different because the layout of the pages changed as we went. This one's Sunrise Patrol. Ended up with 47. So we got 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 47 for that one. We are working on the Christmas challenge. This one has got 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 in it. And then the next one that I'm working on now is the Longest Trail. And so far this one right here, oh sorry, I hit my elbow. Ain't purry. This one right here's got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 in it. So we are going to put 20 in this one today. So there's the 20. And I'm going to go as far as I can with it. So there's 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, and this one, 20. So now this one has got 45 in it. I hope everybody has been doing good out there in YouTube land. I know I've not been consistent in doing what I usually do. I've just been really busy creating and doing stuff around the house, trying to get the dog lot situated, trying to get the chicken coop ready for the fall, cleaning it out, rearranging stuff. The yard still looks horrible from where it flooded again, and we have just been kindly getting ready for fall. Yep, I know it's already coming. My kids, not my kids, oh Lord Jesus. The kids in our county start school back on the 6th of August, which is just right around the corner. Okay, so Christmas challenge is going to get 20. Because it'll be here before you know it. So, let's see. we'll go with, you hear Simon in the background. He's got to be Mr. Mowley today. 2 and 8. 7 and 3. Yep, Mr. Mowley over there. Got to be Mowley. Mr. Apollo is beautiful, but he looks more like Bandit. Okay. Bandit was Apollo's dad. So we have 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 in this now. So the projects I've been working on is Saving Challenge books. And I've actually got one coming in Friday that I had printed out. And then I'm going to look and see how it looks. And I may offer it up on Canva, or not on Canva, but on Etsy. But I'll have to wait and see how it looks first. It's a mock-up of the farm animals. And then I got 2 more books that I'm working on. That is sinking funds and getting a month ahead. So I'm really excited for them to get printed out and shipped out, so I can show you guys. I may put them up on Etsy, but right now I made them for myself because I'm really serious about getting all of this caught up and getting everything paid off, because I really don't know how much more I can work. I only do like 4 hours a day, and it's only like 3 days a week now because of my back. But I'm really trying hard to get myself together and maybe be able to retire. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Just want to give you a quick update and show you what I've been doing. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, guys.